So basically, what we're doing in this project is comparison screen slider, where we have sketch and a picture, and the picture is changing the sketch on the mouse move. So I draw this sketch and I found a picture of a real photo model. So the idea behind it, it's like can be used for online shop with clothes. You can imagine that this sketch was created by a clothes designer. And I got this idea from another website, which is Omniplan, and they have what they have is pretty similar. This, it's also a sketch and a picture of building. So you can imagine that once it was created like this on paper, and then it was made as a real building like this. So the same kind of idea. Obviously you can realize you can make this project for your own idea. It's pretty easy. We just use CSS transforms queue, and we use JavaScript for this on-mouse move, which is pretty simple. Let's start with our HTML file.